Good day, children. Sai Ram. Children, in the previous period, I finished teaching you the lesson Elves and the Shoemaker. Did you all practice reading? I told you na that practice reading at home. Did you all practice? How many times did you read the lesson? I told you read the lesson 3 times. Okay? So you have to, if you are not done the reading, you have to do the reading part. Okay? Practice reading at home. Okay? Of this lesson. Today, we are going to do the textbook activities of this lesson. Lesson number 12, Elves and the Shoemaker. Okay? So you will take your New Voices textbook, pencil, eraser and open page number 98. NV textbook, page number 98. Come on, take your book fast, New Voices, and open page number 98. So, are you all ready with the book? Very good. Now write today's date at the top of the page. You'll write today's date at the top of the page. You all will write with the teacher. Okay? So, let us start. Now see the question. Tick the correct answer. Write it in the blank. So here the options are given. 2 options are given. First you have to tick the correct option, correct answer. And which is the correct answer, that you have to write in the blank space. Okay? Now see the first question. The shoemaker made, in the bracket, leather or cloth dash shoes. So the shoemaker made what? Did he make leather shoes or did he make cloth shoes? Yes, the shoemaker made leather shoes. So what are you going to do? Put a tick on leather. Okay? Come on, do it fast. Put a tick on leather. Did you put? Okay. Now, that same leather, that word you are going to write in the blank space. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. So, the answer is the shoemaker made leather shoes. So, first you have to put tick on leather and then write that same word leather in the blank space. Finish writing? We'll go to the next question. Number 2, the shoes were on his bench or bed. The shoes were on his bench or bed. Yes, the shoes were on his bench. So, tick on bench. Tick on bench. Now, after ticking, you are going to write that bench in the blank space. B-E-N-C-H, bench. The shoes were on his bench. Okay? Now we'll go to the next one. Next number 3. The quality of the shoes was good or bad? The quality of the shoes was good or bad? Yes, the quality of the shoes was good. So, tick on good. Tick on good. Over? Now, that good word you are going to write in the blank space. G-O-O-D, good. The quality of the shoes was good. Okay? The first one is the shoemaker made leather shoes. You have to tick on leather. Number 2, the shoes were on his bench. So, tick on bench. Number 3, the quality of the shoes was good. So, put a tick on good in the bracket. Done? We'll go to the next one. Now, see the next question. Number 4. The shoemaker bought leather for 2 or 3 more pairs. The shoemaker bought leather for 2 or 3 more pairs. Yes, 2 more pairs. So put a tick on 2. Be quick, children. The shoemaker bought leather for 2 more pairs. Now after ticking, write 2 number in the blank space. TWO 2. So the shoemaker bought leather for 2 more pairs. Over. Next, number 5. They wanted to find out who made the shoes. They hid in the room or garden. They wanted to find out who made the shoes. They hid in the room or garden. So first you are going to tick on room. So tick on room. And that word room you are going to write in the blank space. ROOM. Room. They wanted to find out who made the shoes. They hid in the room. Done? We'll go to the next one, number 6. There were 2 elves or fairies. There were 2 elves or fairies. Yes, there were 2 elves. So put a tick on elves. There were 2 elves. Then write the word elves in the blank space. ELVES. Elves. There were 2 elves. Done? Very good. Now we are going to go to the next question. Now here this is a crossword puzzle. Okay. Okay, now see here the head question. Solve this crossword with the help of the clues given below. All the words are from the story. So you have to solve this crossword puzzle. Some clues are given below. Can you see down and across? Left hand side down and right hand side across is given. Okay. So you have to read the question first. Okay. And then you have to write the answer in the crossword. Okay. So I'll read the clues. See, first you are going to go to the left hand side down part. Okay. In down, can you see couple? Number 1, COUPLE. See, can you see this word couple? Yes. Now couple. So what is the other word for couple? Can you tell me? Yes, couple means pair. So write P. Number 1. Can you see number 1? P is already given. P, A is given. Then A you have to write. Then I and R. Pair. So the other word for couple means pair. Pair means 2. Okay. So couple means pair. Write fast. Now see the next one. Number 2. Number 2. Again we have to go downwards only. Yeah? You have to see first the left hand side downwards. You have to complete first. Okay. See number 2. Middle of the night. That is 12 a.m. What it is called? Middle of the night. What it is called? See number 2. Can you see number 2 here? Okay. The starting word is M. So now you have to fill that boxes. So what is middle of the night called? It is called as midnight. So M-I-D-N-I-G is already given. Then A-T. So the word is midnight. So middle of the night it is called as midnight. That is 12 a.m. morning. Okay, early morning. That is 12 a.m. is called as midnight. Okay. Now see the next one, number 3. Can you see number 3 in down? We wear them on our feet. What it is called? We wear them on our feet. See, number 3 is over here. Can you see number 3 here? Yes. What is the word given? Starting word S. So, the word is starting from S. So, we wear them on our feet. What do we wear on our feet? Yes. Shoes. So, S is already given. H, O, E. And S is given. First letter and the end letter is given. First letter and the last letter is given. So, the answer is shoes. We wear them on our feet. That is shoes. Okay. Done. Now, we will go to the next. Number 4. Can you see number 4? Here. Number 4. A magical creature who helps you. A magical creature who helps you. He is there in this the lesson. Who is that magical creature? What is his called? What is his name? Yes, a magical creature who helps you. It starts, see number 4, starts from E. Yes, it is elf. E is already given. L-F, elf. So, a magical creature who help you is elf. Okay. Now, we have finished down. 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have already finished. Now, we are going to go to across. Okay. That is, see the right hand side. Okay. Across. Across means sleeping you have to see. Okay. Down means standing and across means sleeping. Now, across you see number 3. Can you see number 3 across? See this. Okay. Odd means what? Odd. Odd. Can you see number 3 here? Where is number 3 here? Yes, this is number 3. So, the first word is given S. So, odd. The first letter is S. So, what is the word? Strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange. Odd means strange. Okay. Odd means strange. Over. Done. Now see number 5. Last one. Number 5. What do you get on your birthday? What do you get on your birthday? What it is called? What do you get on your birthday? See number 5. Where is number 5? Yes. Here is number 5. G. The letter is beginning, the word is beginning from G. Okay. So, what do you get on your birthday? Yes, gift. So, G-I-F-T. G-I-F-T. So, what do you get on your birthday? Gift. Okay. Done. All have finished writing? Very good. Next one. Now here, add ed to these words and make a new word. See, example is given. Delight plus ed. So, these two words you have to join and you have to make one word. So, delight plus ed is delighted. Okay. Now, see the first one. Want plus ed. Want plus ed. What is the word? Wanted. So, write this word together. Wanted. Want plus ed. Wanted. W-A-N-T-E-D. Wanted. Write fast. Just you have to join these two words and make one word. Okay. Number 2. Play plus ed. Play plus ed is played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. Number 3. Plant plus ed. What will be the word? Planted. P-L-A-N-T-E-D. Planted. P-L-A-N-T-E-D. Planted. Number 4. Quilt plus ed. Quilt plus ed. So, what is the word? Quilted. Q-U-I-L-T-E-D. Quilted. Q-U-I-L-T-E-D. Quilted. Now see number 5. Tilt plus ed. What is the word? Yes, tilted. 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 Tilt plus ed, tilted. See number 6. Mount plus ed. Mount plus ed will be mounted. M-O-U-N-T-E-D. Mounted. M-O-U-N-T-E-D. Mounted. Done? Finished writing? Very good. We'll go to the next one. Now here, see, match the words with meanings. So you have to match the words with the meanings. So strange. What is the meaning of strange? See, left hand side and right hand side. You have to match left hand side to the right hand side. So you have to match. Strange means what? Yes, meaning of strange is odd. Okay? Then surprise. Yes, meaning of surprise. Surprise means, yes, feeling when we see something new. Feeling when we see something. Okay? New. Feeling when we see something new. Quietly. Quietly means without making noise. Quietly means without making noise. Next one. Thankful. Thankful means feel happy to get something. Feel happy to get something. Okay? Then delighted. Delighted means very happy. Delighted means very happy. Okay? So, come on, join fast. Match the words with the meanings. Strange means odd. Surprise, feeling when we see something new. Quietly means without making noise. And thankful, feel happy to get something. Delighted, very happy. Done? Okay. Next one. Okay. Now next one is match the pictures with the actions shown. Okay. So these are the action words. Okay. So you have to match this action word to the picture. So let us do. Now see here. See the first picture. Can you see? Now first you see these words. Swim, talk, climb, fall, ride, cry, crawl and sleep. What are these? These are the action words. You have to match this action word to the picture. Now swim. Where will match? Yes, will match here. Swim. Now next one. Next word is talk. So where we are going to match? Yes, here. Talk. Next. Climb. Climb. Yes, where is climb? Yes, this is the action, climbing, right? Next word is fall. Okay, fall. See, fall. No, this is the action of fall. Then ride. Ride. Where is the ride word? Yes, where are you going to match? Here. Yes, ride. Next word, cry. Cry. Yes, here. Okay, cry. Then crawl. Next word is crawl. Crawl. Yes, this one is crawl. And the last word is sleep. Sleep. So, yes, this. Come on, match fast. Match the action word to the pictures. Done? All are done? Very good. Okay. Now let us start with the next question. B question. Fill in the blanks with am, is or are. So you have to use this word am, is, are in this blank space. Before that, I will explain you when to use these words. Now am. Am is used when we say I. When we say I, we have to use am. When we talk about ourselves, we use am. Okay? When we talk about ourselves, we use am. Like, I am a boy, I am a girl, I am playing now. So, when we talk about ourselves, we use am. Like, with I, we have to use am. Okay? Now, next, when we say he, she, it, we use is. When do we use is? When we say he, she, it. For example, he is a doctor, she is a teacher, it is a pencil. Okay? So when we use these words he, she, it, we use is in the sentence. Understood? Now, when we say you, we have to use are. When we say you have to use are with it. Like, you are a boy, you are a girl, you are my best friend. Okay? So when we say you have to use are with it. You are a boy, you are a girl, you are my best friend. Understood? When to use these words am, is, are. So let us write here in the blank space. First one, eat dash an apple. So what will you write here? Will you write is, am or are? I had explained when to use it. Yes, when we is. It is an apple. Very good. Number 2, she dash my sister. So what will you use here? Yes, she is my sister. Number 3, they dash friends. They dash friends. Here, what are you going to use? For they, what you are going to use? Yes, are. They are friends. They are friends. Number 4, he dash happy. So, for he, which word you are going to use? Yes, he is happy. He is happy. Very good. Number 5, they dash naughty boys. They. Then what are you going to use? Yes, with they you are going to use are. They are naughty boys. Okay. Number 6, she dash my teacher. She dash my teacher. For she, what will you use? Yes, she is my teacher. She is my teacher. Number 7, these dash my books. So, what will you use? These are my books. These are my books. Number 8, I dash the winner. So, with I, what are you going to write? Yes, I am the winner. I am the winner. Done? Very good. Next question. Now here, look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. So first one is done for you, right? So the first one. See, some pictures are given on the left hand side and the written matter is on, question is on the right hand side. So see the picture properly. Okay, and the question. The first one. What is he doing? Now here means which? Sorry. Here means which here? This one. You are pointing to this man. Okay. What is he doing? So he is reading. Okay. He is reading. Now second one. What is she doing? She means which one? This girl. Pointing to this girl. Okay. What is she doing? So what is she doing? What action she is doing? Yes. She is washing. She is washing. Okay. Now see next one. What are they doing? They means pointing to these boys. What are they doing? So what are they doing? Yes, they are playing. They are playing. Okay. So the next one. Now number 4. What are they doing? Here also these boys. Okay. What are they doing? So what are they doing? Yes, they are walking. They are walking. The next one. Number 5. See number 5. What is it doing? Now it is pointed to this. Okay. So what is it doing? So it is hopping. It is hopping. Okay. Write these answers fast. Over? Very good. All have finished writing in a good handwriting? Very good, children. So children, we have ended with this lesson, Elves and the Shoemaker. We have finished the textbook activity also. You all will complete your textbook in a neat handwriting. Okay? Now, we will meet in the next period. Okay? Till then, have a joyful day. Thank you. Bye.